started.
It's okay. Oh, that's alright.
Okay, wait. Okay, there you go. What you doing, Carnitas? Are you trying to eat his face? Oh, go back.
That's my ear. Ah.
Snout kisses. Is he? You were missing some funny shit, Jane. Quick,
They don't bite my nose.
quick.
Oh, that is just inappropriate.
They were pushing nose to nose. Nose to nose.
Ew. Doesn't make any.
Dude, he pushes with his nose. So David's trying to push back.
What if he licks you or bites your nose?
That's okay. He won't bite. That's a little wrong.
That's weird. Okay, look at all David's doing.
Is that what?
He's pushing with his nose.
Is that what? Is that what was so hilarious?
Yes.
Hey, don't bite. Don't
Just
bite.
bite your nose off.
Yeah, how do you keep him from biting?
He just nips a little.
Like a puppy playing. Look at that tail going crazy. He's having so much fun. Don't tease him with that. Okay, let's...
Wait for me.
Okay.
Just that.
I'm just trying to get him by the door. Is my lipstick okay?